In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change logo in Odoo. We'll walk through the full process together, from logging in to seeing your new logo in place, so you can confidently update your company branding inside Odoo. First, open your web browser and log into your Odoo account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Settings option. This is usually found in the top menu or in the main app list, depending on how your Odoo instance is set up. Go ahead and click on Settings to open the configuration area. Inside the settings page, scroll down or look around for the section labeled Companies. This section controls information related to the different companies configured in your Odoo environment. Under the Companies section, you'll see an item simply called Company, and underneath that, there will be a button labeled Manage Companies. Click on Manage Companies to open the list of all companies that are set up. The page will refresh and show you a list view of your companies. In many cases, you'll only see a single company here, but if you manage multiple entities, you might see several entries. Find the company whose logo you want to change and click directly on its name to open its detailed settings page. Once you're inside your company settings, look near the top of the page on the left side of your company name. You should see the current logo displayed there, or a placeholder image if a logo has not been set yet. Move your mouse cursor over that logo area. When you hover over it, a small pencil icon will appear at the bottom left corner of the logo space. That pencil icon is the Edit button. Click the pencil icon. As soon as you do, your computer's file browser window will open. From here, navigate through your folders to find the logo file you want to use. For best results, choose a clear, high-quality image, preferably a square or nearly square version of your logo, so it displays nicely in Odoo. Once you've located the correct file, click on it to select it, and then confirm your choice, usually by clicking Open or pressing Enter on your keyboard. Odoo will upload the image and immediately replace the old logo with the new one in the company settings view. That's all there is to it. Your company logo in Odoo has now been updated, and you should see it reflected across the system wherever the company logo is used.